Welcome back to Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher, where we decode a new keyword every day using Morse code. Today, keyword is dash dash dash. Let's dive right into deciphering it. The code, the word we need to translate it later into Morse code using a combination of short taps and long holds. Here's how we break down. Let's go. For the first letter, we are doing F. Tap tap dash tap. Then for the next word in the next alphabet is O. O for three times, and then R tap dash tap. Then for the last and least lastly the word K. Hold and hold tap once and hold again. Okay, hold. Remember timing official for accuracy. Ensure your tapes and holds are tricky practice a few times to get the hang of it. And there you have it. Today keyword folk decode using Morse code. Join us tomorrow for another exciting Cypher challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more daily Cypher. Okay, thank you.